Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to display tagged photo on your Instagram profile. So you have to open the Instagram on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So you have to open your Instagram and you have to go to the profile icon. So when you open the profile icon, so there is the on the top on the right there is a tag symbol. You have to click to the tag photos. So there is the your tagged photo. When someone tagged you in a photo, so you have to of the settings on Instagram, you have to click to the tag and mentions. You have to click tags and mentions, and there is who can tag you. Allow tags from everyone. The current selection is this, so allow tag from people you follow. It's mean you follow person have access to tag you, and don't allow tags. The both are not tags except follow and everyone. So this is how to tag photo profile. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.